A beautiful butterfly is flying over a bright yellow flower. The sun is shining and the garden looks very pretty. The butterfly has colorful wings with red, blue, and black spots. It slowly comes down to sit on the soft flower. The yellow flower is a small but very fresh and bright. The butterfly moves its wings gently in the warm air. It drinks sweet nectar from the flower with its long mouth. The flower moves a little when the wind blows. The butterfly enjoys the sweet smell of the flower. Bees and other small insects are also flying nearby. The green leaves around the flower make the place look beautiful. The butterfly looks happy and free under the blue sky. The yellow flower stays in the garden waiting for the next butterfly.